So a nice thing about these mops is it's a pocket system. So with the pocket system, we have a collapsing frame, and when you hit the button it collapses and each end of the frame goes into the mop and you click it into place. A lot of microfiber that you see in the marketplace is Velcro, and we don't like to use the Velcro because one, it wears out, and two, in the laundry process the Velcro collects a lot of lint and other materials in the Velcro, so as you're putting a frame on it, the mop can fall off. With this, you simply click it into place, and now it holds the mop in a nice secure pattern. And we get a very straight process with the frame and the fringe on the outside of the mop. It's very important because we want that fringe to go up against the wall to get into the corners. If you have a frame that's not on straight, you get the frame that's rubbing up against the wall. So that's a big advantage of this type of system. The other nice thing of the pocket mops is we pre-treat the mops. And what I mean by that is we'll put up to 25 mops into a bucket like this, and the bucket has a lid on it. When we put the 25 mops in there, we're going to pre-treat that with your cleaning solution. And you just pour the solution over the top of the mops when they're in the bucket. You'll notice that the mops have a mesh backing. The mesh backing allows the solution to go straight through the mops and saturate all 25 mops inside of the bucket. And all of the solution wicks to the outside of the mop, so we get a very even saturation level on the mops. And when you pull them out, they're ready to use. They're not dripping with solution, you don't have to wring them out. It's just like baby wipes. You pull it out, it's ready to use. Very similar fashion for the mops.